Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Honor 20A. First of all, go into Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on Honor. Then tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Now select Receive on Honor and Send on this Android smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you'll select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only this one song. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Honor, choosing Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just type in this key here and choose Receive. And now, as you can see, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!